Alright, greetings, Surplus here. I just want to take like 5 seconds out of the day to personally big up Danusia Francis. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly, Danusia Francis. Now, if you don't know who Danusia Francis is, probably you should watch my previous video. But why do I want to big her up? Well, we in Jamaica, we have a tendency sometimes, especially when it comes to our athletes, we always big them up, we always rally around them, we always promote them, we always talk about them when they're doing well. But if they are not doing as we expected them to do, reggae boys, we might bash them in a certain kind of way, or we might no longer want to associate with them, or we no longer want to promote them, or we no longer want to big them up. Now Danusia Francis, she made the Olympic team. I believe she's the second female to actually make the Olympic team as a gymnast from Jamaica. As you can see, well, I hope you watched the previous video, but if you watched it, as you can see, she's not just another pretty face. She's actually someone to contend with. She's actually a great gymnast, and you see that she scored a perfect 10 in that video. So we were expecting many great things in this Olympic campaign. It has always been her dream, she has said, to be an Olympian. A couple years ago, she made the Great Britain team. However, she was a reserve, so she didn't actually compete. This time, she actually got to compete, and you know, it is unfortunate that just coming up to the Olympics, she injured her knee and was not able to compete as how she expected to, and as how we were expecting that she would compete. But why do I want to big her up? She showed tenacity. She showed that Jamaican spirit that don't give up. I will let you see that video in a few. She actually competed, even though it was only for 11 seconds. She competed and risked her knee injury because she is showing true Jamaican spirit. She is an Olympian now, and it was always her dream. And not because she probably has an injury that is probably going to, hopefully it doesn't end her career, but trust me, I know about ACL injuries. It's rough. To put it mildly, it's rough. But she donned the Jamaican colors, and she went on the uneven bars. She performed a very scaled down routine, but she competed, she performed, and that is why I want to big her up. She showed great bravery. She didn't dismount in the fancy way she normally does, because that would have probably shattered her knee totally. But she performed, she competed, and I want to take this 5 seconds to big up Danusia Francis for representing, showing great bravery, showing great Jamaican spirit. Even if no one else bigs her up, me, Surplus, I'm gonna big her up for that. So that's what this video is really about. I just want to take this 5 seconds and make people know about Danusia Francis. So I'm going to show you her 11-second routine right now, and let us leave that in the past, where if our teams, our athletes don't perform as well as we would like them to do, we bash them. Reggae boys, let us big up the reggae boys too. They did well. So until the next video, This is Surplus saying peace. And again, big up Miss Francis. You know what they call somebody who comes last at the Olympics? An Olympian. Yeah, that's right. She's an Olympian. So she has achieved one of her dreams that she wanted, and performing in the Olympics. And despite that, how painful that injury must have been, she still persevered and she did her routine. And with all of that pain going through her leg, she was still smiling. She was glowing. She was beaming. Look at her smile. Yes, man. Showing true, not just true Jamaican spirit, but also true Olympic spirit. So I want to big up Danusia Francis on her performance in Tokyo 2020 and 2021 Olympics.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.